Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. Well, things have been a little bit less crazy for me this week, but I did have another clogging competition that I had to go to. So you'll see that I chose to do 3 meals on the days that I did clogging, and I ended up doing protein bars, which I don't normally support or encourage, but it was kind of a necessity at that time. So you'll see that on there. Hopefully you guys won't judge me too harshly. If you haven't been to my channel before, you will see that I eat keto a little bit differently than some of the other channels here on YouTube. I do a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto that is set for maintaining muscle mass and losing fat. So it is kind of like a cutting macro kind of keto, and I hope that you guys will find something in my video that might help you on your own weight loss journey. Good Wednesday morning. It's a new video and a new breakfast. This is what I'm going to have for my first meal. I know that in my live chat I talked about possibly going to a eating earlier in the day kind of deal, and it's 2 o'clock, so obviously that didn't happen. But that's okay. Just keep trying and keep moving on. So what I decided to have for breakfast today is some keto pancakes that I made with egg whites, cream cheese, stevia, vanilla, cinnamon, whipped up, made into little pancakes. And then I have 2 ounces of bread cheese that I fried up in my bacon grease and 40 grams of bacon. And then I have 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, sweetened with Mio water enhancer, and this is the one I'm using today. It's mango peach. And then my drink today is a giant mug of Keto brew with stevia and half and half, and this is Keto brew that I'm using. It's the Ghana French roast. It's kind of a earthy, burnt kind of flavor. I really have been into this one lately, and I just get this on Amazon or on KetoBrew.com. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, I am about to dig into my second meal of the day before I head down to my daughter's team practice for tonight. My little girls are already down there. I've left them down there for like 4 hours, so I'm going to be going down for the last hour. I was originally going to go out to eat, but my lovely Chef Dave decided to make me my favorite food, so I went for that instead. So we have zoodles with 5 ounces of chicken breast, some provolone cheese, and ragu Alfredo sauce, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, today at Commonwealth School, this is what I brought to eat. I've got 2 ounces of provolone cheese, 40 grams of center cut bacon that I pre-cooked and brought with me, 2 boiled eggs, and then over here I have 150 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, and also 1 container of Good Culture cottage cheese. So you can see this is live cultures, so I only have to count 2.5 carbs because I only count half the carbs on products with live cultures. And I'm going to sweeten that with lemonade Mio. And then I'm going to have a snack pack, sugar-free gel snack if I feel like it. So that is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so for tonight at dinner at the dance studio, I decided to splurge and get wingers. I got naked wings and some buffalo sauce, blue cheese, and this is their side salad. It's huge with ranch dressing, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, look at me eating at 8 a.m. Remember how I said I was going to try and eat earlier? Well, today I was fixing up some bacon to take with me to the competition today, and I went, oh, I should probably eat now. So even though I don't really have time, I'm going to eat this. So I have 60 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, and my last ounce of the bread cheese, the halloumi cheese that I fried up in a little bit of bacon grease. And then I have my Keto brew sweetened with stevia and half, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. I am not eating my yogurt because I know that I'm going to want something in a little while, so I think I'm going to try and find a gas station meal. I saw some protein bars that looked pretty decent when I was there the other day, so I might have a protein bar today. Please do not judge me, but I have to be able to have a snack or something at the competition. I think I will lose my mind if I don't eat there, and since I'm eating early, I'm just going to make that my plan, and it's my decision, and I'm not going to like feel guilty over it or anything, because I'm just choosing to do it, and I'm not worried about it. So I will see you guys a little later when we are leaving for the competition. Okay, we stopped for dinner at Chubby's like we usually do on Friday on the way home from the competition, and I got naked wings and some Frank's Red Hots, side salad, and ranch dressing.
She came with us.
And we met back up with these crazy people.
She didn't come with us.
Okay.
She's eating at Chubby's on Friday.
Yep.
Mommy,
What?
my ankle hurts.
Sigh.
What?
Pretty much something always hurts on you. Okay, today for meal number 1, I'm doing 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of queso fresco, and 40 grams of center cut bacon.
I'm having a protein bar, some peanuts, and cheddar.
Of the day.
Dave found this great place down the street. I got me double quarter pounder with lettuce wrap. It's going to be my last meal of the day.
Okay, remember when I said that I was going to eat early and try and, do the whole circadian rhythm deal? Yeah, I'm not doing that anymore. The last 2 days I did that, and I found that I just ended up thinking I needed to eat more food because I ended up doing 3 meals instead of 2, and it was harder to hold off at night eating than it was holding off in the morning. So here we are at like 1:30 in the afternoon, and I'm having my first meal, and that's just the way it's going to be. If that's messing me up, oh well. It's just going to be the way it's going to be. Anyway, okay, so 2 fried eggs, about 40, I don't know, how many pieces did you make me, Dave? 4 small ones? It's probably 40. Did you measure it? I don't know how much bacon. I'm guessing it's like 40-ish, 44-ish grams bacon. An ounce of queso fresco and 227 grams of 0% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Well, we are having book club right now, and Chef Dave just brought me up my dinner, and I guess we're having naked wings because the Frank's Red Hots is apparently all gone. So, having a few whole wingy wings and some roasted cauliflower with cheese. It still looks good. Disappointed with the no Franks, but that's okay. We will survive. Alright, it's noon on Monday. Happy Monday. This is going to be my first meal of the day. Chef Dave just made this for me. I have 60 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of halloumi or bread cheese, and 170 grams of Faye 0% Greek yogurt sweetened with, I think, orange vanilla Mio. And this is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so tonight we're having Chef Dave's famous eye of round roast with a little bit of gravy that's made with bouillon and xanthan gum, and roasted cauliflower with cheddar cheese. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, we've been out all day running errands, and I can't wait any longer. It's 1 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and eat this. This is the half-pound number 10 lettuce wrap with no ketchup from Carl's Jr., and a side salad with ranch dressing, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, for the last meal of this video and this day, I am having my favorite food, chicken Alfredo with provolone cheese over zoodles, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate all of your comments and your likes. Please hang around and get tips and tricks for your own future before and after transformation. Join us on our Facebook group, Keto Chaos. The link is in the About section below, and you can get a lot of support, and we have information on how to do this higher protein, moderate fat keto in our pinned post. And me and my moderator team are available to help you get started and to be successful on this way of eating. That's all I have for you today. We'll talk to you again soon.